अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 451 से लेके 550 तक देखेंगे। एक सीरीज़ चल रही है स्पीडी करंट अफेयर्स 2025 से लेके 25 तक की, बिहार पीसीएस और यूपी लोअर पीसीएस के लिए। तो एक रिवीजन सीरीज़ के जैसे है। इसमें मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ता हूँ, फिर आंसर पढ़ता हूँ और जल्दी जल्दी हम इसको कवर करते हैं ताकि चीज़ें रिवाइज़ हो सकें। आप ट्रेन में जा रहे हो या पेपर के 1-2 दिन पहले आपको रिवाइज़ करना हो करंट अफेयर्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Which missile did India test for first time from a mobile launcher system on a rail at Chandipur, Odisha? Agni Prime missile. Which IIT has been designated by the Government of India as the United Nations Center of Excellence for the Artificial Intelligence? IIT Madras. With which leading quick commerce platform has the Union Minister of Labour and Employment partnered to enhance the employability of youth? JEPTO. Who launched India's first hydrogen highway during the World Hydrogen India 2025 held in New Delhi? Amit Shah. Which film by Neeraj Ghaiywan has been selected as India's official entry in the Best International Feature Film category at the Oscar 2026? Homebound. ये नाम याद रखिएगा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Which great singer, actor, composer and a lyricist from Assam passed away in the scuba diving accident in Singapore on September 19, 2025? Jubin Garg. Who broke the Virat Kohli's record for the fastest ODI century by an Indian? Smriti Mandana. In which African country has Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the first Indian defence manufacturing plant, Tata Advanced System, Morocco? Which countries have recently recognized the Palestine as an independent state? यूके, कनाडा एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। पैलेस्टाइन को एज अ इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट रिकॉग्नाइज किया है यूके, कनाडा एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने। हु हैज़ बीन ऑनर्ड विद प्रेस्टिजियस लिविंग ब्रिज अवार्ड फॉर सक्सेसफुली कंक्लूडिंग द इंडिया यूके फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट? केर स्टारमर. Who has BCCI made the new jersey sponsor of Indian cricket team? Apollo Tyres. Recently, which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Pratigya Yojana to provide a financial assistance to youth doing internship? Bihar. Where did the Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone of the country's first PM Mitra Park, Bansola village, Madhya Pradesh? Which Indian Navy ship participated in the first India-Greece bilateral maritime exercise, INS Trikhand? Recently, which public sector bank of the country has launched the Platinum Jubilee Asha Scholarship 2025 scheme for meritorious children from the economically backward backgrounds? State Bank of India. Which country has been elected as a member of the Interpol Asian Committee during the 25th Interpol Asian Regional Conference held in Singapore? India. Which state has launched the Ambu Karangal scheme for orphan children? Tamil Nadu. What is the India's rank among the 139 economies in the Global Innovation Index 2025 released by the World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO 38? Recently, who has become the first female international FIDE master from the Bihar? मरियम फ़ातिमा। ये ध्यान रखिएगा, FIDE मास्टर फ्रॉम बिहार, मरियम फ़ातिमा फर्स्ट फीमेल इंटरनेशनल है ये FIDE मास्टर। रिसेंटली विच कंट्रीज has been elected unopposed to the Asia Pacific Group seat on the United Nations Human Rights Council UNHRC for 3 years term 2026 to 2028? इसका आंसर होगा इंडिया। UNHRC में सेलेक्ट हुआ है 2026 से लेकर 2028 तक एशिया पैसिफिक ग्रुप की सीट के लिए। अनअपोज्ड जीता है इंडिया 3 साल के लिए इंडिया ने। वेयर वॉज द फोर्थ वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया 2025 ऑर्गेनाइज? न्यू दिल्ली। इन विच स्टेट डिड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी रिसेंटली डेडिकेटेड द कंट्रीज फर्स्ट बाम्बू बेस्ड बायो रिफाइनरी प्रोजेक्ट टू द नेशन? असम। वेयर वॉज द Kadal Kondattam 2025, one of the country's most existing sea sport festival organized recently? Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. By what name has Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a portal with the objective of digitizing, preserving India's ancient manuscript, Jan Bharatam? By what name did the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh recently launch the world's first tri-service women's sailing expedition from the Gateway of India in Mumbai, Samudra Pradakshina? What was the theme of the 10th Ayurveda Day organized and hosted in the Goa on September 23? Ayurveda for People and Planet. The GST Council had reduced India's existing four tax slab 5%, 12%, 18%, 28% to how many tax slabs? Two, 5% and 18%. In which in the multilateral joint military exercise Japan 2025 organized by which of the following countries did the Indian Armed Forces participate? Russia. In which state did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone for the first phase of the Makhana Board and Kosi Mechi Interstate River Link project? Bihar. Recently, which airport located in the Simanchal region of the Bihar did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated? Purnia. Where was the 14th bilateral military exercise Maitri between the India and Thailand held recently? उमरोई मेघालय. उमरोई मेघालय में 14 बायलेटरल मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज मैत्री इंडिया और थाईलैंड के बीच में हुई है, उमरोई मेघालय में. वेयर वॉज द 21st जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज युद्ध अभ्यास 2025 बिटवीन इंडिया एंड यूएस हेल्ड? फोर्ट वेन रिट, अलास्का में. Recently, the RBI has issued the commemorative coin of Saw to mark the birth centenary of which great Assamese singer Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Where was the first successful artificial breeding of the ancient giant tortoise Manoria emis phaere recently conducted? Manipur Zoological Garden. Which recently inaugurated railway line by Prime Minister Narendra Modi connects the Mizoram's capital Aizawl to Indian Railway network for the first time? बैराबी साइरंग रेलवे लाइन, याद रखिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. बैराबी साइरंग रेलवे लाइन जो कि मिजोरम कैपिटल एजवाल को इंडियन रेलवे से जोड़ती है पहली बार. वेयर डिड द यूनियन मिनिस्टर पीयूष गोयल इनाग्रेट द फर्स्ट रीजनल ऑफिस ऑफ एपडा? पटना. पहला रीजनल ऑफिस एपडा का बना है पटना में. वेयर डिड द नेवी चीफ एडमिरल दिनेश के त्रिपाठी इनाग्रेट इंडियाज न्यू इंडिजीनियस नवल बेस INS Aravali recently? Gurugram. Who was recently sworn in as the first female Prime Minister of the Nepal? Sushila Karki. First female Prime Minister of Nepal, Sushila Karki. Where has IIM Ahmedabad recently started its first global campus? Dubai. IIM Ahmedabad ने दुबई में अपना फर्स्ट ग्लोबल कैंपस शुरू किया है. द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज़ साइंड $126.4 million loan agreement with the ADB to promote the tourism in which state? Uttarakhand. What is the name of India's fastest train that runs on the Delhi Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System? नमो भारत. अभी बुलेट ट्रेन का भी टेस्टिंग हुई है अहमदाबाद वाले रूट पे. 350 किलोमीटर की मैक्सिमम स्पीड उसने पाई है बुलेट ट्रेन ने. वेयर वॉज द हिस्टोरिक समिट मीटिंग बिटवीन प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी एंड मॉरिशस प्राइम मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर नवी चंद्रा राम गुलम हेल्ड रिसेंटली? वाराणसी. Where was the Purple Fest 2025 for person with the disability organized? MIT University Noida. Purple Fest हुआ. Who among the following was posthumously honored with the PV Narasimha Rao Award for their economic contribution to India? Manmohan Singh. Where did the Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar recently inaugurate the CPRI's new regional testing laboratory RTL Nasik, the construction of which 4-lane greenfield highway has been approved as a part of the Buxar Bhagalpur high speed corridor? Mokama Munger. Where did Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan recently inaugurated the first overseas Atal Innovation Center? Abu Dhabi. First overseas Atal Innovation Center Abu Dhabi UAE में. By what name has the Ministry of Tribal Affairs launched a digital platform for the preservation of tribal art and culture? ट्राइबल आदि संस्कृति के नाम से ट्राइबल के जो आर्ट एंड कल्चर उनको प्रिजर्व करने के लिए डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया गया आदि संस्कृति. विच कंट्री डिड इंडिया डिफीट to win the bronze medal in the recent CAFA Nations कप टूर्नामेंट 2025 ओमान। नेक्स्ट है, as a result of which of the following movement did the Nepal's Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli and the President Ramchandra Podwal resign? Gen Z movement. With which IIT has the Sports Authority of India signed an agreement for sport, science and technology recently? IIT Delhi. अच्छा, किस आईआईटी के साथ साई ने साइन किया था स्पोर्ट्स साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए एक एग्रीमेंट? आईआईटी दिल्ली के साथ स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया साइन। विच सिटी secured the first rank in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan Award 2025 Clean Air Survey Award 2025? Indore. Who has recently been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? CP Radhakrishnan. Who became the youngest player to defeat a reigning world champion at the FIDE Grand Swiss 2025 after defeating the D. Gukesh Abhimanyu Mishra? Where was the world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Duniya Unique World recently inaugurated? Khurja, Bulandshahr, UP. On International Literacy Day, September 8, which state was declared a fully literate state after the Kerala, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Tripura and the Mizoram? Himachal Pradesh. केरला लक्षद्वीप लद्दाख, केरला लक्षद्वीप लद्दाख त्रिपुरा मिजोरम के बाद हिमाचल प्रदेश जो है फुल्ली लिटरेट स्टेट बन गया है इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे सितंबर 8 को। केरला लक्षद्वीप लद्दाख त्रिपुरा मिजोरम एंड हिमाचल प्रदेश। होम डिड इंडिया defeat in Rajgir to win the men's hockey Asia Cup 2025 title for the fourth time? South Korea. Whom did Spain Carlos Alcaraz defeat to win the US Open 2025 title recently? Jannik Sinner. Which country did India defeat to win its first gold medal in the men's compound team event at the World Archery Championship? France. Who has become the first Indian to win the Horizonte Award for the Best Director at the 82nd Venice Film Festival for the Sons of Forgotten Trees? Anuparna Roy. What is the name of the world's first mRNA cancer vaccine launched by the Russian scientist Entromix? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। वर्ल्ड की फर्स्ट mRNA कैंसर वैक्सीन लॉन्च बाय रशियन साइंटिस्ट एंट्रोमिक्स। At which port in Tamil Nadu was India's first port-based green hydrogen pilot project recently inaugurated? VO Chittambarnar Port. Which operation was launched by the army to rescue the people in the flood-affected areas of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand? Operation Rahat. At which place has Andhra Pradesh government announced the establishment of Space City for launching the private satellite? Tirupati. Where did India launch its indigenous drug testing doping system, methana, methanedienone, long-term metabolite (LTM) in the sports for the first time? New Delhi. Where was the fourth Semicon India 2025 organized? Yashobhumi, New Delhi. Prime Minister of which country, Lawrence Wong, recently visited India to mark the completion of 60 years of diplomatic relations? Singapore. In which state did the Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently launch Jivika Nidhi Sak Sahakari Sangh Limited to provide affordable credit facility to the rural women? Jharkhand. To which country has Badminton World Federation award the hosting rights for the Badminton World Championship 2026? India. Who among the following has taken the charge as 29th Controller General of the Account of India? TCA Kalyani. According to the National Commission for the Women's Nari 2025 report, which is the safest city for the women in India? Kohima. Safest city है इंडिया में वुमेन के लिए कोहिमा. By what name did the Prime Minister Narendra Modi launch the first Made in India chip at the inauguration of Semicon India 2025? Vikram. What is the name of the India's first AI powered translator for the tribal language launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? Adivani. What percentage of foreign direct investment has the Ministry of Finance recently permitted in the insurance sector? 100%. With which of the following has the ICC partnered to promote the women's cricket? Google. At which of the following location was India's first mobile tempered glass factory inaugurated? Noida. On which national highway has India's first multi-lane free-flow MLFF toll system been launched? NH48 Delhi Chennai. Where has India's first vulture knowledge portal has been launched to promote the conservation of endangered vultures? Assam. याद रखिएगा. Where was the Royal Bhutan Buddhist Temple recently inaugurated? Rajgir, Bihar. Where was the UPI UPU integration project launched at 28th Universal Postal Congress, Dubai? By September 2025, how many gigawatts of the non-fossil fuel power generation capacity has India officially achieved? 250 गीगावाट्स. सितंबर 2025 तक कितने गीगावाट ऑफ नॉन फॉसिल फ्यूल पावर जनरेशन कैपेसिटी इंडिया ने ऑफिशियली अचीव की है? 250 गीगावाट. टू होम हैज़ इसरो ट्रांसफर्ड इट्स स्मॉल सैटेलाइट लॉन्च व्हीकल SSLV टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोडक्शन हॉल HAL? To which country has India recently announced a special economic package of $680 million US? Mauritius. At which of the following location was the 4th Coast Guard Global Summit 2025 organized? Rome, Italy. Which has become India's first government medical college to provide a training on the Da Vinci robotic surgery system? AIIMS, Delhi. Which cleanliness fortnight was observed from the September 10 to October 2 Swachhotsav Cleanliness Festival? Which state government has increased the maximum daily working hours for private sector employees from 9 hours to 10 hours? Maharashtra. Whose book मदर मैरी कम टू मी वॉज रिसेंटली रिलीज? अरुंधति रॉय. ये बुक का नाम याद रखिए, मदर मैरी कम टू मी, अरुंधति रॉय. वॉट हैज़ इंडियाज नेशनल लिटरेसी रेट बिकम इन ईयर 2023-24? 80.9%. इंडिया का नेशनल लिटरेसी रेट 2023-24 में 80.9 80.9% है. द यूनियन कैबिनेट हैज़ रिसेंटली अप्रूव द डबलिंग ऑफ विच रेलवे लाइन? भागलपुर दुमका रामपुर हाट. भागलपुर दुमका रामपुर हाट रेलवे लाइन को डबल करने का यूनियन कैबिनेट ने अप्रूवल दे दिया है. वेयर वॉज द 21st जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज बिटवीन द आर्मीज ऑफ इंडिया एंड द USA हेल्ड रिसेंटली? अलास्का. Indian Air Force has recently retired its MiG-21 fighter jet manufactured by which country? Russia. Where was the 25th Shanghai Cooperation SCO summit held recently? तियानजिन, चाइना. SCO की 25th समिट हुई है तियानजिन, चाइना में. Which two project 17 warship did Indian Navy launch together in Visakhapatnam? INS Udaygiri, INS Himgiri. Udaygiri, Himgiri. In which state has Union Cabinet recently approved the Tato 2 hydroelectric project worth of 8,146 करोड़? अरुणाचल प्रदेश. तो टाटो 2 हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट 81 से 46 करोड़ का अरुणाचल प्रदेश में लगेगा, अप्रूव्ड हो चुका है. विच कंट्री हैज़ रिसेंटली डिक्लेयर्ड द बलूचिस्तान फेडरेशन आर्मी एज अ फॉरेन टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? FTO. अमेरिका ने डिक्लेयर किया. व्हाट आर द नेम्स ऑफ 4 न्यूली कंस्ट्रक्टेड मल्टी स्टोरीड अपार्टमेंट इनाग्रेटेड? Names of 4 newly constructed multi-storied apartment inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Delhi for members of parliament named after? कृष्णा, गोदावरी, कोसी एंड हुगली. 4 नदियों के नाम पे मल्टी स्टोरीड अपार्टमेंट बनाए गए हैं मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट के लिए. कृष्णा, गोदावरी, हुगली एंड कोसी. कोसी नदी बिहार में बहती है, तो कृष्णा, गोदावरी, कोसी, हुगली तो बिहार के लिए ज़रूरी है क्वेश्चन. ऑन विच रूट डिड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी रिसेंटली इनाग्रेटेड इंडियाज लॉन्गेस्ट डिस्टेंस वंदे भारत ट्रेन? पुणे तो अजनी, नागपुर. वेयर हैज़ द कंट्रीज फर्स्ट एनिमल स्टेम सेल बायो बैंक हैज़ बीन ओपन रिसेंटली? नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एनिमल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, हैदराबाद. कंट्री का पहला एनिमल स्टेम सेल बायो बैंक, ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बन जाता है. एनिमल स्टेम सेल बायो बैंक नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एनिमल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, हैदराबाद में. NIAB नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एनिमल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में एनिमल स्टेम सेल बायोबैंक बना है हैदराबाद में। इंडियन रेलवेज सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेटेड एशियाज लॉन्गेस्ट फ्री ट्रेन 4.5 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम गंज ख्वाजा स्टेशन टू घरवा रोड स्टेशन। वॉट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दिस फ्री ट्रेन? रुद्राष्ट्र। ट्रेन का नाम रुद्राष्ट्र था। गंज ख्वाजा स्टेशन टू घरवा रोड स्टेशन तक चली थी। ये 4.5 किलोमीटर लंबी थी। एशिया की लॉन्गेस्ट फ्री ट्रेन रही है। तो ये 550 क्वेश्चन आपके हो गए। इसको 2x से सुनिए और रिवाइज करिए, पेपर दीजिए। धन्यवाद।